Good morning. We are out here at Flagler Beach taking our walk, getting our day started. Today we are going to be cooking in the kitchen some chicken stuffed with broccoli and cheese. It's absolutely delicious, and we're going to do that's going to be our meal prep. So that is what we are going to do today, but first we are going to get our 2 miles in.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know
we made our grocery haul today. All right, we got some water. I got some kielbasas to make with some fresh vegetables. We'll do that. We have some frozen mixed vegetables, frozen broccoli. I bought some more turkey to make homemade dog food for the dogs. I added a can of green beans and a can of carrots. Chicken breast, because I want to do chicken parm this week. Hamburgers. These are our grass-fed hamburgers. Grass-fed ground beef patties. There you go. And then the egg prices are coming down, which is great. Got some gluten-free General Tao chicken. All of us can have that, including Autumn, so we're gonna have some of that. Got some mixed greens for a salad. Kevin's wanting a salad. I also got a cucumber for that. And I have some tomatoes in the refrigerator from last week, so I'm gonna have that for a salad. And then you'll see something. Oh, there's some bread in here, but this is we're having company over for dinner, and we're having chicken parm. So I wanted to make sure that they had bread. What is left over, I'm not sure what we're going to do with. Maybe we'll send it home with them because we're not doing bread. Got some chicken broth. That is to make some chicken parm. Some almond milk. Autumn uses that for her hot tea. And we have some fresh strawberries so that when we have our yogurts, we're going to have that. Got some honey and green beans, and I got these from Aldi's. I've never tried them before. I've tried the ones from Walmart, but I thought we'd try this one. This is to add to your water. And then I got some Italian sweet cream coffee creamer. And we got some French vanilla coffee creamer. And then if you've never tried this from Aldi's, this is pineapple salsa. It is so yummy. I do that sometimes for a treat with I do 10 chips. I count them out. I actually really do count them out, and then have 10 chips with salsa, and it's very yummy. And these are some keto bars that we, these are like grab and go. I'll grab them like if I'm starving or I don't have time for lunch or I have to miss something. Or if I just get an afternoon snack, I put them in my purse because I get hungry. So I grab one of those. All right, so that is my grocery haul, and that was $99.66 from Aldi's. We're going to start off by combining our cheeses together, which this is a half of block of cream cheese. And then we are going to do a whole cup of cheddar cheese together, and we are going to mix it together very well. Then we're going to add our broccoli in. We're going to cut it up and just take the tips and fluff that in with the cream cheese and mix that very well.
Everybody singing, oh, everybody singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want, as long as we're
This chicken has about 4 pieces in the pack. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open it, and then I'm going to cut it down the middle to make it actually 8 pieces. So I like my chicken thinner instead of thicker, so this works out perfectly. And then I'm going to go ahead and set it aside and let it thaw some more because it was still kind of frozen from the freezer. Once it has thawed, I'm going to go ahead and cut the pieces of chicken again, partially down the middle, not in half, so they're still connected on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese and broccoli mix to it, and then I'm going to wrap my bacon around the chicken to hold it all into place, and then place it into my cooking pan. And I will do that with all these pieces of chicken. This turned out so yummy. You are going to love it. It was really, really, really good.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it.
For our side, we're going to use these smaller potatoes. I'm going to open the package and cut them in half and place them back into the baking dish. I'm also going to use the rest of the broccoli that I did not use for the center of our chicken. Then I'm going to drizzle olive oil generously around. I'm going to use some salt and pepper and maybe a little bit of garlic, and then mix it very well. And then I'm going to bake in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes or so. I'm going to check on it, make sure my potatoes are soft, and if it is ready, I'll go ahead and pull it out then.
Like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Dinner was so delicious. This is definitely one recipe I'm going to make again. With leftovers, I placed them into these containers so that I could have them for lunch this week. Thank you for joining me today as we made our stuffed chicken and broccoli. It was absolutely delicious. Well, we'll see you again soon.
I'll be yours.